Hi, welcome to lesson number 19 of my spoken Japanese course. In this lesson, we will look at clock time. In the previous lesson, we saw there are counters for months and dates. In this lesson, we will see about the counters for hours and minutes. We have the 12-hour system as well as the 24-hour system. We will talk about them. We will learn how to tell time, and we will also learn to express events that are going to happen at a certain time. The question phrase used for asking for the time of the day is Nanji. G is the counter for time in hours and stands for o'clock. Jikan is the word for elapsed time. The counter G is not used for counting elapsed time. It's used only for the clock time. The basic number system for clock time will be the Chinese number system. 1 o'clock will be Ichiji, 2 o'clock is Niji, 3 o'clock will be Sanji, and so on. After 12 noon, the number system may follow the 24-hour format or refer to the afternoon. So all expressions after 12 are unambiguous in the sense they refer to the 24-hour system. But the values of less than 12 hours need clarification as to whether it is the morning or the afternoon. Midnight 12 o'clock will be called Reiji. Rei means 0 o'clock. 1900 hours, which is the same as 7 p.m., can be called as Jukuji. There is no Ni Ju Yonji, that is 24 hours. The time format changes after 23 hours to become Reiji. So hence there can be no Ni Ju Yonji. Asa or Gozen is used for referring to morning or AM. 12 noon, that is midday, is known as Hiru. Hiru Kara or Gogo is used for referring to the PM. Ban is the name for evening. 8 AM will be referred as Gozen Hachiji. 3 PM may be referred as Gogo Sanji. 7 PM may be referred as Ban no Nanaji. Ha, which we saw in the lesson 15 as a fraction half, can also be used for telling time. 5:30 may be referred to as Goji Ha. The counter used for minutes is Pun. For phonetic reasons, sometimes Pun is replaced by Fun, Fun. Fun is not fun, and there is no pun involved here. Fu is the combination of consonant H with vowel U. Should remember, Pun is different from Pun. Pun was the suffix for long and slender objects. Pun is the one for minutes. 1 minute will be Ippun. 2 minutes is Nipun. 3 minutes is Sanpun. 4 will be Yonpun. 5 will be Gofun. So on and so forth. This is the way it goes. 6 and 8, as usual, have been modified to Roppun and Happun. 10 minutes will be Juppun. 11 minutes is Juippun. 15 will be Jugofun. 20 minutes will be Ni Juppun. 30 will be Sanjuppun. 45 minutes will be Yonju Gofun. 59 minutes will be Goju Kyufun. After Goju Kyufun, you will be going to the next hour, so there is no 60 minutes to be expressed. Byo is the word for seconds. However, we will not be getting to that level in this lesson. Let us now look at some time related expressions. If you want to ask what is the time now, the expression for that will be Ima Nanji desu ka. Ima means now. Ima, what time? Desu ka. Let us say the time is 10 hours 15 minutes. So the way you can answer this is a quarter after 10, which will be Juji Jugofun. You don't have to say that after when you are expressing something which is on the positive side. You can definitely say Juji Jugofun Sugi which actually means 15 minutes past 10. That is perfectly acceptable, but the tsugi need not necessarily be mentioned. It is a default understanding. If the time were 9:45, you may want to say it is 15 minutes to 10. That means 10 o'clock has not yet occurred. In another 15 minutes is going to occur. Juji jugofun maye. Maye means before. Juji is till 10. Jugofun is till 15 minutes. Maye means it is before. So that way it will be 9:45, which is 15 minutes before 10. Suppose it was 10:30 or 10 and a half. You can express it as Juji Ha, where Ha is half. We have already seen this expression Ha in the discussion on fractions in lesson number 15. Sometimes we are not very precise about the time. Hachichi Goro will mean 8ish or about 8 o'clock. Goro is approximate, about. Hachiji Chikaku will mean nearly 8. Chikaku means nearly. So you just say it is close to 8. Hachiji Sugi means past 8. You are saying it is already 8 o'clock has crossed, but we are not saying how many minutes. You just say Hachiji Sugi. Chodo Hachiji Des would mean it is exactly 8 o'clock. This expression is different from the previous three. You are being very exact. Kesa Rokuji ni okimashita. What is this expression? Kesa means this morning. Rokuji is 6 o'clock. Ni okimashita. Okimashita means I woke up. I got up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Is expressed as Kesa Rokuji ni okimashita. Travel related descriptions need a little more precision than anything else. Let us see some examples here. My train leaves at 1:53 p.m. This is what I want to say. I will say Watashi no kisha wa gogo ichiji goju sanfun ni demasu. Watashi no kisha is my train. Gogo ichiji, afternoon 1 o'clock. Goju sanfun. Goju san is 53 minutes. Demas is leaves. Watashi no kisha wa gogo ichiji goju sanfun ni demasu. I want to say my plane arrives at 10:48 a.m. How will this go? Watashi no hikoki wa gozen 10時48分に着けます. Watashi no hikoki is my plane. Gozen is a.m. 10時 is 10 o'clock. 48分 is 48 minutes. Ni skimas. Skimas is a word used for arrives, and both the use in this have to be silent. Skimas. TSK is the way you will say ski. Skimas. Let us look at some more examples. I study Japanese language from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. every day. Watashi wa mainichi gozen 11時から午後1時まで日本語の勉強をします. Mainichi is every day. Kara is from. Made is until. Benkyo is study. Shimas means I'll do. The next sentence. Watashi wa jikan ga arimasen. Watashi wa jikan ga arimasen means I don't have time. I have no time. Jikan is time. Some people will find some time to study Japanese every day. Some other people will have no time. I hope you belong to the former list. That brings me to the end of lesson number 19. Please keep doing well. Gambatte Kodasai. Deva Mata.